In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a jam in the grinder, typically jammed by pieces of wood from the paddle in the coffee beans. Firstly, close up your bean canister, remove it. With a vacuum of some sort, remove all coffee beans in the grinder. Remove the coffee conveyor so we won't snap it when we actually remove it. Then we'll remove 2 screws at the back here. One here and the other here. Once the 2 screws have been removed, remove your grey top cover off your grinder. Remove your milk canister, that will give you more room to work with when removing the grinder. Gently lift up the grinder, pop it to the side. With your grinder upside down and tilt it to the side where the milk canister was, get some sort of a spanner type of system and dig your spanner into the large white gear and give it a clockwise rotation. It might be really hard, but giving a good twist and you'll find that your piece of wood or foreign object will fall out during that twist. Once it's free, then you can reassemble your whole unit. Be careful not to lose your little rubber feet that the grinder sits on. Then pack it all back up, do a failure reset, and then do a grind test again.